9-year-old boy is being bleached by his mother. But before I continue, ensure that you're liking, commenting, sharing, following. The mother of a 9-year-old boy is bleaching his skin in Jamaica. I'm sure some are shocked, I'm sure some aren't. But I don't want to talk about the problem, I want to talk about the root of the problem. You see, for me, I believe that DNA, and I read that DNA not only makes up how we are, how we look, our height, our eye color, skin color, our illnesses, it also transfers trauma. So if you have trauma in your gene pool, it can surface in your children. What trauma does majority of black people have, especially in Jamaica? Yeah, slavery. What trauma could have been instilled in black people in Jamaica from slavery? The hatred of one skin color and the belief that the lighter you are in complexion, the better you will do in life. And Jamaica is a bit of a colorist country, so really and truly it's not far off. But the solution is not to bleach your skin. It's not healthy. It's not healthy. It's no way, shape, or form is healthy. It's not a solution. Okay? But that's just my thoughts. What are yours?